Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium powerhouse, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. If you're on a tight budget but still want a vacuum cleaner that delivers reliable performance, this is your go-to option. Priced at just $59.99, its lightweight design makes it perfect for dorm rooms, apartments, or anyone who needs a vacuum that's easy to maneuver and store. Despite its compact size, it packs powerful suction to handle everyday messes effortlessly. Its scatter-free technology is especially effective on hard floors, ensuring debris doesn't fly everywhere during cleaning. The design is simple yet functional, weighing under 8 pounds with a removable extension wand that allows you to clean higher surfaces like shelves or ceiling corners. The easy empty dirt container is a nice touch, letting you quickly dispose of debris with one push of a button. However, the build quality is more utilitarian, and while it's sturdy, it may not withstand heavy-duty use over many years. This vacuum is ideal for small spaces and quick cleanups, but it lacks advanced features like HEPA filtration and multi-surface capabilities. Pros include its budget-friendly price, lightweight design, and easy maneuverability. Cons are the limited capacity dirt tank and lack of specialized tools for deep cleaning. Overall, the Bissell CleanView Compact is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking affordability and convenience without sacrificing basic performance. At number 4, we have the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum. This vacuum is a versatile powerhouse that's perfect for those who want a lightweight yet effective cleaning solution. At just under 9 pounds, it's designed for effortless maneuverability, and with its ability to convert into a handheld vacuum, you can tackle floor-to-ceiling cleaning with ease. Swivel steering ensures you can navigate tight spaces and corners without breaking a sweat. Its performance is impressive, delivering ultra-powerful suction on both carpets and hard floors. Fingertip controls allow you to switch between surfaces seamlessly, and the included upholstery tool, anti-allergen dust brush, and crevice tool add versatility for cleaning furniture, curtains, or hard-to-reach areas. While the dust cup has a smaller capacity of 0.31 quarts, it's easy to empty, so you can get back to cleaning quickly. One drawback is its corded design. Which limits mobility compared to cordless options. The Shark Rocket HV301 is perfect for anyone who values lightweight design and versatility. Pros include its strong suction, lightweight build, and multi-surface cleaning capabilities. Cons include the smaller dust cup and the fact that it's corded. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who want performance without the bulk. At number 3, we have the Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum, the 2024 model. This vacuum combines affordability with standout features, making it a great value pick. Priced at $119.99, it features a triple-action brush roll that loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. Its swivel steering makes navigating around furniture and tight spaces a breeze, and the active extension wand allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas easily. This model supports the Bissell Pet Foundation with every purchase, which is a nice bonus for pet lovers. Its scatter-free technology ensures messes on hard floors are cleaned efficiently, and the multi-cyclonic suction system keeps dirt contained in the vacuum without losing suction power. The easy empty dirt tank makes disposal quick and hassle-free. However, it's worth noting that it's slightly heavier than other models at 17 pounds, which may be a consideration for those seeking ultra-lightweight options. This vacuum is ideal for mid-sized homes and pet owners who need reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros include its strong suction, pet-friendly design, and maneuverability. Cons include its heavier build and lack of advanced allergen filtration. Overall, it's an excellent mid-range option for thorough cleaning. Taking the number 2 spot is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum with Self-Cleaning Brush Roll. Priced at $179.99, this vacuum is tailored for pet owners and multi-surface cleaning. Its standout feature is the self-cleaning brush roll, which eliminates hair wrap, making pet hair cleanup effortless. The lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod for cleaning under furniture or above floor surfaces like stairs and upholstery. Equipped with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, this vacuum traps dust and allergens, making it ideal for households with allergy sufferers. The pet crevice tool and upholstery tool provide additional versatility for tackling pet hair in hard-to-reach spaces. Its 5.3-liter dust cup capacity ensures extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. At nearly 15 pounds, it's lighter than some competitors in its category, and swivel steering adds to its maneuverability. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners and anyone looking for a high-performance, allergy-friendly cleaner. Pros include its self-cleaning brush roll, large dust cup capacity, and pet-focused accessories. Cons are its higher price point and corded design. Overall, it's a premium choice that delivers excellent cleaning results. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum. Priced at $189.99, this vacuum offers a perfect balance of performance, features, and build quality. With powerful suction, it's capable of deep cleaning carpets and handling bare floors effortlessly. The lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod for cleaning under furniture or above floor areas, making it incredibly versatile. The HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology ensure dust and allergens are trapped inside, making it a great option for allergy sufferers. The vacuum includes an upholstery tool and crevice tool for detailed cleaning tasks, and the large 0.9-quart dust cup lets you clean longer without interruptions. Its swivel steering makes navigating tight spaces simple, and the brush roll shutoff feature allows you to switch between carpet and bare floor cleaning instantly. Weighing just under 16 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, but still easy to maneuver. This vacuum is ideal for families, pet owners, and anyone who wants premium performance. Pros include its powerful suction, lift-away versatility, and advanced allergen filtration. Cons are its higher price and heavier build compared to ultra-lightweight options. Overall, the Shark NV360 is the top pick for those seeking the best in performance and features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.